Okay, time to summarize. Blazor is an open source web development technology developed by Microsoft for the creation of powerful single-page web applications without relying on JavaScript skills. WebAssembly is a new type of code that all modern browsers can understand and execute. We can now build web applications in multiple programming languages without JavaScript that can be compiled to WebAssembly code that can be run by browsers. Blazor syntax is a programming syntax where C# and HTML code is combined to create dynamic web pages. Blazor syntax is predominantly what is used in the creation of Blazor applications. You will find Blazor syntax in both Blazor pages and Blazor components, both of which are used in Blazor applications. Blazor can be implemented to run entirely on the client or the browser side, or entirely on the server, or in some combination of these two. If Blazor is implemented as a progressive web application, it literally behaves like a locally installed app, running in its own window on your phone or laptop, rather than running in a browser tab. Then lastly, a Blazor client-side application can be configured to run on many hosting platforms, but it can also be configured to be hosted inside of an ASP.NET Core application, which will itself usually be hosted on another web server. Okay, so well done on making it this far. You guys are doing great. Let's take a break and continue in the next lesson. I'll see you there.